Hello and welcome to this lecture where I'm going to show you how you can install Anaconda and PyCharm on your own machine, since all examples will be implemented using both tools. You can access the Anaconda website, as you can see here. Let's click this option here. Then you can download it according to your operating system. We can see that it's possible to download for Windows, Mac, and also Linux. When you click this button, an installation file will be downloaded, and you must run it and follow the instructions. I'm not going to show you this process step by step because it's basically following the instructions on the screen. In case you don't know Anaconda, it is one of the most used tools for programming in Python, especially for working with artificial intelligence and data science. The advantage is that several AI-specific libraries are already installed, and it is also possible to create environments with different versions of Python. For example, one environment using Python 2 and another environment using Python 3, and one environment does not influence the other. The next step is to install PyCharm, as you can see here, which is an IDE for working with Python. Let's click Downloads. Let's choose the community version, which is the free version. When you click this link, an installation file will be downloaded and you must run it and follow the instructions. Again, I'm not going to show you the process step by step because it's basically following the instructions on the screen. After installing it, you can open PyCharm, create this button here, New Project. Then you can select the location where you are going to save the project. For example, in my case, tracking. Let's keep this option, New Environment using Conda. Select Python version, for example, 3.9, and then let's create this last button here. It will take some minutes to create the new project. You may see this screen here. In this left part, we can access all the files, and in the center part is where we are going to type the code. Now we need to install OpenCV library in order to have access to the tracking algorithms. We can create this button here, terminal, and let's type pip install OpenCV Python, press enter. We can see here that it is downloading the library and also installing some dependencies. Now we need to install another library. Let's type again pip install OpenCV contrib Python. We need this contrib package to have access to the tracking algorithms. Let's press enter again. We can see that it is downloading and installing the packages. Now we can perform a test just to make sure the installation was done successfully. Let's click in the name of the project, New Python file. Let's call this first file test OpenCV. Let's type import CV2, which means the library we have just installed. Let's type cv2.version. We can click run test OpenCV. No error was returned, so it means that the installation was done successfully. We can just print the version of OpenCV we are using. Let's run this code again. See that we have version 4.5.4. And in the next lecture, we are going to start implementing the algorithms. See you there!